Early birds versus night owls, the learning myth.
Is it true that only morning people excel at learning? For years, the belief that early risers have an advantage over night owls persisted. But does being an early bird really mean you learn better? Or is there more to the story? Let's separate fact from fiction and see what science actually says about the best time to learn.
Understanding chronotypes.
Chronotype refers to your natural tendency to be alert at certain times. Some people are morning types, while others feel more awake in the evening. Genetics and age play a big role in setting your internal clock. Feeling sharp in the morning or late at night isn't just a habit. It's a real biological preference that affects when you function best.
Does morning mean more learning?
The myth claims early risers always learn better. However, research shows that learning depends on matching tasks to your personal peak times. People, whether early birds or night owls, can focus and absorb information better when they study during their naturally alert periods, not just in the early morning hours.
What the science shows.
Numerous studies reveal there's no universal best time for learning. Students and adults alike tend to perform better when their study schedules align with their chronotype. Night owls can excel just as much as early birds by taking advantage of their evening alertness. Success isn't about when you learn, but about working with your own biological rhythm.
Making the most of your learning time.
The key is to know your peak alertness. Whether you focus best in the morning, afternoon, or evening, plan your most demanding learning when you naturally feel energized. Adjusting schedules when possible and developing good sleep habits help everyone, no matter their chronotype, make the most of study and work time.
Fact over fiction.
The idea that only early birds are destined for success is a myth. Both morning people and night owls can reach their learning potential by respecting their individual sleep-wake patterns. So, instead of forcing yourself into someone else's routine, discover your rhythm and play to your strengths for better learning and performance.